Hello mga ka-bakers! So ngayon, masasabi ko lang talaga is meron talagang mga recipes that we can give for free at meron din naman kasi na paid tutorial or paid classes. Bakit ganun? Of course, yung mga paid classes, ito yung ating talagang pinaghirapan, inaral, kinreate, no? At talagang ilang beses natin experiment para maging okay at talagang maging fail-proof. Just like this low-carb, nut-free, gluten-free Spanish bread. Dahil nagte-trending nga talaga ngayon ang mga Spanish bread. Of course, ibang-iba talaga ang pagbe-bake ng without gluten at lalong-lalo na low carb at nut-free pa. So, yung mga sikreto, yung mga practical tips na paano mga ingredients na ginagamit dito at mga techniques kung paano maging bread ito ng walang gluten. Well, yan ang sinishare natin sa ating mga paid tutorial or paid classes. So, I'm inviting every one of you, no, yung ating mga upcoming low carb baking classes. Meron tayong online nut-free classes na binigyan natin ng bonus recipe. Itong aking all-new Spanish bread na nut-free. And then, meron din tayong face-to-face hands-on workshops in Rizal and sa ating kitchen in Parañaque City. So, I hope na maka-join kayo at talagang makita ninyo at ma-discover na kayang-kaya palang gumawa ng mga low-carb and gluten-free breads and savory breads as well when it comes to low-carb. Okay, at share natin yung mga ingredients, practical tips and techniques and processes para maging successful tayo sa ating low-carb breadery, baking of breads, no, and buns. So, I hope na makasama namin kayo. See you soon and God bless. Happy low-carb baking!